The Winnebago Solis comes with a European compression loft, which is super easy to use. I'll show you how. They have safety latches that you'll want to release. A T-latch, which gets about a half turn. It then releases. Let's do the other side. So again, we'll just release this. It's almost like a safety buckle. Turn and it releases. There are hydraulic struts that will take over once it gets an initial push. It just rises up from there. To bring the loft down, it's just as simple. These two straps help for you just to bring it down initially. When it gets to about here, you want to make sure that that canvas is tucked in behind the latch system. And just as we released it, you want to make sure the latch is connected to that little crossbar. A half turn, and then it does go down all the way. Get that safety belt latched. This just tightens everything up. Very simple. You have this ladder here. The ladder does break down. It stores nicely up above the cab. So it's got two latches, and then it breaks down into two pieces. I mentioned it has a good storing spot right above the cab, so you can just place it right up there.